The Cape Town City lineup after their draw on Sunday against Lamontfort Golden Arrows, the City side. Run from the centre-back. Rhodes looks up. Chance here for Paciencia, who missed it. And Darwin Gonzalez as well at the back post might well have taken that opportunity. Eric Tinkler will be fuming at that.
The ball obviously got over the first defender, and Paciencia was a bit more central with a defender behind it.
Kupino still receiving treatment, but let's see what happened here. Lovely little run from the centre-back. And then all the way out wide. Now watch this for an opportunity. Paciencia misses it, despite the, well, with the attentions of Monyane, might have put him off a little bit, but you've got to hope for more from your centre-forward than that.
Yeah, he needed to use his body better.
And again, back into the danger zone, back to goal is Mabasa, gets the shot in. Keep makes the save.
Yeah, you mentioned it. I thought that ball was hanging nicely for a kid to come out, but he opted to stay on the line.
Gonzalez with a shove in the back from Tim. He will have a free kick here for Cape Town City. Here's a look at that again.
Yeah, dropping right on the 6-yard line.
Marcia does really well to turn and get the shot in here. Admittedly, not enough power. He had to really conjure something up there.
Once again, Slacha on his back, making it very uncomfortable for him to turn.
Is in a bit of trouble here now as Monyane pushes forward, lays it back. The turn from Mabasa. What a block from Mkhize.
Maybe Hoto was in a better position. Just a few yards away from Mabasa, and he was facing goal. And Mabasa was facing away from goal. Now look at this. Hoto continues with the run as the ball is cut back. He's right there.
Well, he's upset too, Hoto, you can see that.
He could have easily dished out to somebody approaching, but he forced to turn and he got the goal. So institutional memory, it is still get a bit of speed.
Yes, Mayo battling. Is there a penalty in there? Rips it away.
Eric says, I didn't even need glasses.
Bounces up and hits him on the elbow, which is a handball against Dion Hoto. Mofokeng, good running from Mabasa, gets ahead of Godinho, scores! Number 12 for Tseho Foso Mabasa. Pirates break the deadlock here.
There's a lot that went well. There's a lot that went right about ball. We'll make okay to create the chance. Now, that's the youngster. Look at how he puts it the other side from where the run was happening. Godinho expecting the ball to be played a little bit higher into the area. That's a great run. It's a very clever run. And the finishing, of course, squeeze through past the goalkeeper.
Could they be headed for their first win here in Cape Town against City for Godinho? Chance for Gonzalez, the header. Godinho down, looking again for a penalty call. So Sibisi is coming on as we have a look at the slow-mo. This is where the handball call is. And Godinho getting his foot onto it. Sisane goes off, so it's like for like. Dlamini, Mofokeng, back in again, all too simple. And Mabasa has another. And Orlando Pirates double the lead. Mabasa is joined.
And Hilden takes forever, and the ball is stolen away by Dlamini, who slides across to Mofokeng, and Mofokeng just rolls it beautifully back to Mabasa, unmarked, with all the defensive line lining already in front of the goalkeeper.
2 assists for Mofokeng today, 2 absolutely decisive passes from this 19-year-old whose footballing brain is that of a mature in the last 10 minutes.
Unfortunately,
he went off earlier, but if I may add, I think